Testing. Welcome to Computer Services podcast on the 22nd, and I have to mute this because that's not going to work. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I will clean this up on my edit. Let's do this. There we go. Mute on this. All right, testing, 1, 2, 3. I got the mute playback off. No more echo. I think I'm good. All right. It's probably 2 minutes into the video. We can chop that. Welcome, Computer Help Services live stream. The 20th of March. First, I got back into my Zoom, just give you an update on my last video. Please like and subscribe, please. That helps in the process as I'm developing this channel. I did try to do a live stream last week, and it did not complete the process. So I clicked on it, and then after that, it went to an error message, and so I had to be verified again. The last live stream I did was about a year ago. Excuse me, about a year ago. So anyway, it is up and running. Took them 24 hours to verify it, so we are good to go. Also, I was working with Google AI Studio. Got a chance to play around with that, set up the account, did a couple of samples. I think I had a couple of samples. Let me see if I can share my screen, see what happens. When I share my screen, I only want to share this part. Let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and share this here. Share my screen. Share this Google window. Application window. Yeah. This Google window is the only thing I want to share. And does it show only Google window? That's the question. All right, I'm not sure what that is. Let's close that. It should be a little thing right across the top of this thing. Let's go look at the actual picture. Let's look at my Zoom screen. That's what I need to do. I need to get somebody else in the meeting so I can see what it looks like. See what it looks like should be on the Google tab itself. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, so anyway, this is all part of the streaming process, and I didn't turn my mute off here. So when you guys start to do streaming and stuff like that, I mean, it's a lot. It's production, especially for smaller business, the way you're doing everything yourself. But the positive thing about it is AI really makes a difference. I mean, the tools that we have available to us now, it's just crazy, crazy. So it's all good. You take it all, count it all joy. All right, so let's here's the other guys. Shoot, I'm up late working on this project. It is what it is. Let's put the work in, take care of everything else. All right, so let's see. I'm looking at this video. Let me go back and see what I see on my screen. Okay, so good. I got a little picture at the top and my screen in the middle. So it's doing its job. So that's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this, go back to a blank. I do want to show you guys Google Studios. I have a pen now. Basically, GPT, not GPT, Gemini. Gemini works with Google Studio. I don't think I have any info up here. Need to worry about. Um, so Google AI Studios stream real time. Yeah, this live basically is it will actually read your screen and you can tell it to hit the voice quarter and say, hey, I need you to try to fix this or try to find something. I'm gonna look at some of my earlier episodes I had. Let's see what I have here. I had some other episodes. Uh, so yeah, I mean, I did the OBS studio. It actually had to go in and give me the fixes for the OBS studio. One of my cameras weren't showing up. So these tools are going to be, you'll be able to use these to get through anything. I'm going to do today, I'm going to have it go through the subdomain process, and usually subdomain process is pretty not difficult, but for the average user, if you have AI, it'll kind of explain the whole process. And then I'm using the new, this is the Gemini, which you pay basically $20 in the background. AI Studio is a free app, but the engine is what you're paying for. And I have the advanced engine in the back, so I get to use Studio. And you do need that for that. So when you sign up for Studio, first two things is one, buy the Gemini for it's $20 a month, pay for itself in one day. Gemini AI agent, or I don't know what they call it now, agent, and then buy the GPT chat, the $20 for that one. Now I bumped my GPT chat up to the $200 one because the $200 one will actually create these domains and do all this other stuff, which we're going to go through. So I'm pretty excited about that. So my first thing is, and uh, that is called GPT chat operator. And that's what this is. I think that's what this new logo is. Introducing OpenAI operator. So I call it GPT chat operator, but really it's OpenAI operator. Uh, it's made by GPT chat, which is GPT, I mean, OpenAI is a company behind it all. Google, and not Google. Who owns that? I think Microsoft owns GPT chat. That's a good question. Let me answer that question. Let's see how quickly it responds. Hey, who owns GPT chat? Is that Microsoft or who owns that?
Salam. GPT-4 and ChatGPT are developed by OpenAI. Microsoft is a partner and has a license to use and integrate OpenAI's technology into their products, like in Azure and Microsoft 365. but OpenAI owns and develops GPT-4.
What is the percentage of Microsoft that owns? How much percentage does Microsoft own of OpenAI?
So Microsoft doesn't actually own a percentage of OpenAI. They have a close partnership and have invested a lot, like billions of dollars, and they have an exclusive license to use OpenAI's models. But OpenAI remains an independent entity.
Okay, still a private company. Okay, thanks. All right, so OpenAI is its own nonprofit, I guess. But they get money from Microsoft because their models are being used in Microsoft products. So anyway, this new operator is supposed to be pretty cool. It'll actually um it'll actually has a visual, it has a visual setup now. So it will actually look at your screen, this screen, like I have this screen on, I'll tell it, hey, I need you to go in here. And then well, we're gonna do a demo on it here shortly anyway. So I'm gonna record that demo and then we'll chop it up. It's probably gonna be long as heck, but we'll still chop it up. But anyway, it'll go in. I'm gonna say go into my GoDaddy account and I want you to evaluate first, see how many domains, how many subdomains I have. I want to just to push it to the limit and see what kind of I'm kicking the tires and to see how it cleanly it works. So anyway, it's gonna be pretty fun. So that's what my update it was today, and we should be in good shape. I will please like and subscribe anytime you get a chance, and I will publish this and chop it up, and it'll get more and more, you know, more and more detail on the subjects I'm working on. So I appreciate it. Like and subscribe, and it helps algorithms. Thank you. Thank you. Talk to you later. Goodbye. Let's see. And what is this end? End meeting for all. I guess I end the stream too. End meeting. Leave meeting. YouTube. Be sent to YouTube. I can say stop there. Meeting